上面用的是小电流，现在再用大电流看一下。大电流的话，它会有点变色，焊点的话比上面要大。
Today, we are welding a stainless steel heat sink brought by a customer. He requires that it be fully welded and not deformed. Now we are on-site welding. The pulse current and pulse time are both set to 20. Use the continuous pulse mode, keep pressing the switch. The machine will automatically output welding pulses, as long as the welding torch is moved evenly with the frequency. We can see that the welding bead is in very good shape, and there is no problem with normal pressure measurement and pressure. We can increase the current a little to make the welding strength higher. Finally, let's compare it. This is the effect of welding. The sealing and pressing welding strength is high. Very good.
现在演示一下脉冲焊焊接主从外角，掌握好钨针和焊缝的距离。好，这是一个外角焊接，看一下焊道。
如果说焊管的时候，它这个缝隙比较大，你可以接住焊丝，最好是加这个相同材质的焊丝。这是镀锌管焊接，有黑灰的话都可以蹭掉，上面这些浮灰都可以蹭掉。
加焊丝的时候，钨针尽量放到焊丝前方这个地方，不要这样冲着打焊丝，或者说放到焊丝上方。直接打焊丝的话，它焊丝就像这样，它融化不了。这个就是角度问题，这样就是不对的。这是1.0的黄铜板。这个是连续焊接，有黑灰可以蹭掉。现在看一下连续焊。